Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are opening Happy Mail from Coffee Planner Mom. So let's go ahead and get started, although as always, I have already looked at it. But think of it this way, that means I've just gotten it ready for you. Well, almost. You still get the bag opening. All right, so I'm going to start with the freebies I got this time. I am on her PR team, although this term is coming to an end. And Chloe is on the PR team with me, and I got her freebie this time. It says, my birthstone is a coffee bean, and today's good mood is sponsored by coffee, habit tracker, and some bullet points, because I love some bullets. They're just great. Great to use in a planner. And then I got the $25 freebie, which is in the Summer Sunset colorway, and which is this kit over here. I just noticed you can still see it. It happens. We'll leave it. BBQ, deck drinks, watch the sunset, birthday, rescheduled, someone come get me because I'm a mess. I've saved every single one of these because I think I'm gonna need them in monthly spreads coming up soon. Square box and a quarter box. All right, so I got the Summer Sunset kit. I actually haven't used the retro kit yet. I've got that one too, but I just think, I feel like this can go for quite some time. I really like that box. That is a fun pattern right there. I didn't even notice it the first time I looked at it. So you get 9 decorative full boxes and 3 quarter boxes. And I don't know if the camera is picking it up. I didn't realize how much purple was in this kit. And I love it. You also get some firework deco. And I'm sure some people are going to go, why did you get this kit if it has fireworks in it and it's after the 4th? You can firework whenever you want. Thank you very much. Also, Labor Day weekend, we go to a festival called Blueberry Festival, which I'm sorry to say has very few blueberries. Weird, I know. Anyway, they have a huge fireworks display. So I might use this kit for that. Then you have your functional boxes, and she drops in some of the decorative full boxes in the background. Oh, I like the yellow. And then you have your checklists, your check boxes, your Mondays through Sundays, your date covers, your bullet points, and you've got some palm tree deco here, and there's one little yellow firework right there. Followed by, you've got a firework deco there, you got your weekend banner. My favorite color is Summer Sunset, sunsets and palm trees, salty but sweet, fireworks, you got sun-kissed right there. Then, as always, you have this week, meal plan, next week, don't forget, important appointment. I don't know why I try to say these two back to back because I feel like it's a tongue twister. Important appointment. Chores, trash night, Tell Tuesday dinners, birthdays, and paydays. So that is the summer kit that I got this go around. Next are the deco sheets that were released recently. I got the deluxe butterfly sheet so that I had a little bit of all of the butterflies. So you've got your blue, and they come in different sizes. You'll see some really big, some medium size, some littles. So blue, monarch, and pink. And they all have a different design to them, and their little faces are a little bit different. Just FYI, their little faces. The sunflowers. I like that these also have a lot of character to them. They are not all the same. She does hand draw and hand letter everything on her kits. So she does all of the work. Popsicles. I'm excited to use these. There's going to be a collab with this kit, just FYI. Well, kit, deco sheet. The strawberries. I love the strawberries too. Super fun. And then I needed some functionals because I was either running low or I didn't have them, so I got some quarter boxes in the black. And then because I loved the lemon drop colorway so much, I got the half boxes of Lemon Drop because I feel like these colors can work with lots of different things. You got your orange, you got your blues, yellows, you got some green. So I feel like you could, I'll use these deco sheets for example. Like you can mix and match this with the strawberries or the popsicles or the sunflowers or the butterflies, and you've got now maybe not all of them at this, like, because I'll run out of boxes, but you've got a lot of options between this, even with the black quarter boxes, like all that really goes well together. So that is it for this sticker haul. I'll try and fan things out a little bit for you so you get one more peek at everything. Get those freebies in there. And if you get a chance, go check out Coffee Planner Mom's site. I love her so much. She also has just opened up her PR team applications. I have already applied again because I love it. But you should apply too because it's always been a great experience every single time. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more of my videos, hit that subscribe button, and I'll catch you all in the next one.